Bonjour, and welcome to. Today, we're diving into a super useful French verb dire, which means to say or to tell. Whether you're chatting with friends or asking for help, this verb is essential. Let's get started. First, let's look at the conjugation of dire in the present tense. Don't worry, I'll guide you through step by step. Je dis, I say, I tell. Tu dis, you say, you tell. Singular, informal, il, elle, on dit, she, one says or tells. Nous disons, we say, we tell. Vous dites, you say, you tell, plural, formal. Ils, elles disent, they say, they tell. Now let's see dire in action with some everyday sentences. I'll say the French sentence first, and then I'll give you the English meaning. Repeat after me to practice. Scene 5. Example sentences. Example 1. French. Je dis bonjour à mes voisins. English. I say hello to my neighbors. Host. Let's repeat together. Perfect. Example 2. French. Tu dis toujours la vérité. English. You always tell the truth. Host. Your turn. Excellent. Example 3. French. Nous disons merci après un repas. English. We say thank you after a meal. Host. Let's try it together. Great job. Example 4. French. Ils disent que le film est génial. English. They say the movie is great. Host. Now you, fantastic work. Scene 6. Scene transition. Practice makes perfect, host. Remember, the best way to learn is to practice. Write your own sentences with dire in the comments below, and I'll check them for you. Scene 7. Scene transition, call to action. Host, did you enjoy today's lesson? If yes, don't forget to 1. Like this video if you found it helpful. 2. Share it with your friends who are learning French. 3. Subscribe for more fun and easy lessons like this one. Host and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, au revoir and happy learning. Scene 8. Outro scene on-screen text. Subscribe now for more language learning fun.